everything will be just fine. Cause when Oluwa say yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shola. I film about lifestyle, cooking, family and faith. Yeah, today I'm at Staten Island Fun Park with my family. Yeah, this place is a very nice place. This is my first time here and I'm going to show you guys around. This place has a golf space to play golf. It has a space for car racing. It also has a space for baseball. So this place is really a nice place to be, especially during the summer period now, because there's a lot to do here. It is very, very nice here. Yeah, so I'm out here with my family and I'm going to be showing you guys around. We're going to be car racing, we're going to play golf. I don't know about the baseball, but right now there are people behind me playing baseball. Yeah, let me just show you guys around the park. Yeah. If you are just driving, I've been passing here, passing here, but I don't know there is a place like this right here. Yeah. You can see behind me there are people playing baseball, and I just want to show you guys the people playing racing, car racing. I don't know if you guys can see very well. I'm still going to show it fully to you guys, and I'm still going to be car racing. Yeah, race ready. Yeah, these are the people racing already. Yeah, you can see people racing. Yeah, I hope I will be able to go on this because it looks so scary. So I know it's going to be fun. So it looks scary, but it's going to be fun. Right behind me, if you can see, Staten Island Fun Park. Yeah, that's the name of this place, Staten Island Fun Park. Yeah, still showing you guys around. Yeah. No, we're getting popsicle. Yeah, that's my husband and Con right there getting popsicle. Then we are going to go play golf now, so we are getting the all the stuff that we're going to use to play the golf. I don't know what it is called, guys. Don't mind me. Actually, this is my first time trying to play golf. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, we are going to the spot for the golf now. This is the place. It's beautiful, guys. Yeah. Careful, Oba. Yeah. Face your front, Oba. Yeah. So we're at the place now. My husband is going to try it first. I don't know how to play. This is my first time. Ooh, almost. Almost. Yeah, guys. My husband just shoot now, almost enter into the hole. Yeah, here's the ball. Here's the ball. Yeah, my son is trying to do it. It's so funny, right? Okay, Oba, give it a try. Be a man. Come on. Come on, give it a try. Woo! Ooh, to the back. You have to do it to the front. Come on, give it a try. You ready? Go, boy. Go ahead. You have to hit it on. Oh, good job.
Wait, this is how you do it. What do you do?
You have to look at what you're doing.
What is with your two hands? What is do it?
Oh, wow. Good job, Baba. Okay, Queen, it's your turn.
Yeah, from my knee.
Careful, Baba.
Yeah.
Okay, Queen, let's see.
Go back and sit.
Let's see what you got, Queen.
Yeah, come and take it.
Okay, Queen. Whoa! Whoa! Almost, Queen. Wow. Oh, your popsicle, Queen. It's melting. Because you open it. You have to eat it now. It's melting. Yeah, we got popsicle. And it's very yummy. How about leave there? Woo! Woo! Almost, Ayo. Papa, you can't be picking the balls. Oh, Lord. Ooh.
Hey, come on, come on.
This is a very nice place here. Actually, this is our first time in this place. They have a lot of stuff going on here. They have a golf place. They have a car racing place. A lot of different things. They even have a pond for fish. So there are a lot of stuff going on in this place. Yeah, it's a nice place. You can see people. Yeah. This is a very beautiful place. And there is also a baseball place here. Yeah, some people are playing baseball right over there. Yeah. Ooh, almost. Queen, try. Let's see. Let's see who's gonna. Oh, you missed it, Queen. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you missed it, are you? Why? Go, Queen. Queen, you are leading now. Oh, 1-1. Wow, it's really nice out here, guys. It's melting. I have to eat mine too. Yeah, I'm not even showing myself, guys. Yeah. Okay, here I am with my popsicle. Yeah, I'll have to eat it now before it melts. Yeah, I love this place so much, and believe me, guys, I'm going to also take a lot of pictures. This is very nice place for pictures, for different game, you know. Yeah, it's nice out here. What's going on? It's too cold, Queen. I have to hit mine. I don't know. I love popsicle. And this one is liquor color. What's this one? Green apple, blue raspberry, cherry, and lemonade. Yeah. Oba and Daddy. Oh, Oba, play yours. Go do it. This one. Go ahead. Don't pick it with your hand. Okay. Use your thing. Come on. Go ahead. Use your thing. You are holding it wrong, Oba. Oh, Lord. almost. Ooh, Oba, do your own. Daddy miss. Why are you using your legs to cover them? Woo! Daddy did it! Yay! Good job, Daddy. Huh?
Play.
I should play? Okay.
Okay. This is an easy hole in one. Never mind. It's so close.
You still miss it? Oh, Lord.
What do you mean, Mom? You could not get it. You have to do it so soft, not hard.
Oh.
No, one part of it.
Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. You got it.
Soft, not hard.
Who is going to get this coin? Mommy or Daddy?
Daddy.
No, Mommy.
No. They're bad at this.
I did it! Good job, Mommy. Good
How
job,
does
Mommy.
it feel to win?
Feels good.
I cannot even see anything.
It
'cause of
feels
this.
good.
How does it feel to lose?
Big red.
Here's your camera. Wow, hear me.
Let's go race my driver.
Let's go.
Let's go. Car racing. Let's go car racing. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
What?
Order restart. We have to wait for orders. Okay. Ready? And step two. Just okay. We're still waiting for more people to get on their car.
Welcome to the go-kart ride. There are a few simple rules you must observe. You must be able to reach all controls while properly seated and seatbelt properly adjusted. Passengers may ride at a family cart, but must be a minimum of 40 inches, 1 meter tall, and possess upper body control. You must keep your hands
The race is
inside the go-kart at all times. All loose clothing must be secured. Hair longer than shoulder length must be secured above shoulder length. Passing is allowed, but no bumping. You will be given a warning for any bumping. If you receive a second warning, you will be removed from the track. There are no rebuffs. Remember, seatbelts must be properly adjusted and worn at all times. The brake is on the left, gas is on the right. If your go-kart stalls,
Brake is on
raise
the
your hand
left,
for
that's
assistance.
on the right.
With your rod, this is our traffic signal. Green means go. Yellow means caution, slow down. Red means you're on your last lap. When you reach the
Like how
area,
many minutes?
please wait until all cars have stopped. Exit to the rear.
Ooh, like 10 minutes. Hello.
The rules of the track will be asked to read. Thank you and have fun.
It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete the order. Okay, now. car behind us. Good luck. Man, I'm not going. Èèyàn kan wà behind ẹ̀ ṣáà máa lọ tiẹ̀. No. It is so scary. Jesus Christ. Oh Lord. Thank you, oh Lord, for joining mercy. This is hard. Thank you, Lord. Woo! We made it. Thank you, my driver. Woo! You did it. Yeah, right now, guys, we are leaving the park now. Yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye.